Good morning, everyone. This is Alan here again. And today we'll be breaking down EURUSD from last night. I did send this out from a trade signal group, right? So I want to bring your eyes to where price is at a new day, a midnight open, right? Price immediately, this is midnight, I'm moving the candle over or like the vertical line over so you can see it. So it drops lower here, creates a wick, drops price. As you can see, it leaves a little gap right here for it to fill. And this was my target. I wanted them to come back up here and continue dropping lower, fill this and continue dropping lower, right? So my sell limit I sent out, if you guys want to check, like verify, like you can ask my students or whatnot, go for it. It's on my Instagram. You guys can check it out. I set sell limit at 270. Okay, 270. And this was my second one right here. It's 290, but this was my second trade basically at that candle's low. Oops, delete that real quick. At that wick's low, right? The wick low is 291. I set it at 290. So I had two sell limits running, right? And I wanted this 430 candle, this New York candle here, to run higher. Okay, you see how established equal lows here? Very, very solid, attractive lows right there. Very, very solid lows. Price comes up, runs higher, takes out this high, and along with this high, and fills this gap right here. And I was in this trade right here, right? But I was not up to see it, get activated. And my stop was just resting at 250, at 3500. So that was my stop loss, right? And all I was targeting was this low right here. I want to see it run that low, which it did. And I sent out a close position for my students that, hey, I want to see you guys close position here. Took out lows on the left, took out sell liquidity. I think this is the first, this is what's going to be on the draw liquidity for today, right? So you obviously see price comes up a lot higher than where I set. Very simple. That was my fault. I didn't check the 4 hour. So if you check the 4 hour time frame, you can see this is where the gap should have been, basically a higher time frame right here. Let's see that right there. Bang. Look at that. Fills it perfectly and then drops slower. So on the 15-minute, I wouldn't say I was wrong, but having a conservative stop loss up here to protect it, definitely did help me out. I didn't think they were going to push this high. I thought mostly it was going to push to maybe the mean of this candle here and then drop lower. But like I said, it filled it nicely and then dropped lower. Good job on my part for putting a nice stop loss. It was 23 pips for basically a 30 pip gain. 30, 31, 32, depending on where you guys got out. But yeah, that was where I was looking for. Like I said, this was the perfect void that it dropped into. Price ran up higher, filled it in, and then dropped lower, right? Very, very simple trade setup. I know a lot of you guys caught it because I did send this out. And I saw over 20 of you guys caught this one. So very, very solid trade setup. This is Monday as well. You already know what I said. I don't really like trading Mondays, but this was a solid setup that I saw for Monday. Took it with you guys. Hope you guys enjoyed this one, right? And for you guys that are not in my signal group, right, I'll just give you guys a little analysis for the future plans of EU, right? If you guys are, you guys can pay attention as well. I'm targeting basically this gap right here for price to attack into. I want to see price come down into it, take out the sell side liquidity, attack this gap here, right? This is basically where my eyes are going to, because to see where I want to see EU drop to, right? So that means I will be looking for sells tonight for EU if it shows itself. This is a nice bearish candle, bearish order block that I want to see it kind of respect. But let's say if it does take it out, that's a better entry for us in the marketplace to take shorts into EU, right? Like I said, the day is really over for me. I'm not trading anymore. I'll be back on the charts around 9 p.m. Hope you guys do the same. Make sure you guys, if you guys are taking this on your live account, make sure you guys stay safe. All right. And if you guys are not in my signal group, practice. Make sure you guys are, your system is set up nicely. You have a great plan in place for your account. But yeah, that should wrap up this video. Hope you guys enjoyed. Good luck and good trading.